If you've got one of these toilets by Roca, you might notice that over time the seat becomes somewhat wobbly. So you can see that that's got a fair amount of play in it now. Now, it's not obvious how to tighten that up, but if you look right round the back, there's actually a screw hole down here, and that fits the hex key that hopefully the installers have left with you. If not, these are quite standard. I'll try and find the measurements of this and put it in the description. But if you just go down the back here, you fit that into the hole and then screw that in and then tighten that up. Like that. And then the same on the other side. So that one needed a lot more. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.